Never, ever! We are totally freaking out! Dot wants us to count with her to calm down.
Okay.
3, 5, 3, 4. 3, 5, 3, 4.
Peg, I think she's got the countdown thingy wrong. It goes 5, 4, 3, 2.
No, Cat. Dot figured out how to place the pieces. We just need to follow the pattern.
Huh?
A pattern is something that repeats in a certain order over and over again. Look, it goes 3-sided figure, triangle, 5-sided figure, pentagon, 3-sided figure, triangle, 4-sided figure, square. Triangle, pentagon, triangle, square. So we don't need a diagram. We just need to know the pattern.
You amazing, Dotterific pattern finding alien you!
All right, everybody, sing it with me.
Triangle, pentagon, triangle, square.
Using a pattern, you know just what those were.
4 sides here.
5 sides there.
Triangle, pentagon, triangle, square.
We did it!
Yes.
Because we knew all about shapes and patterns, we were able to fix our ship.
Math really saved our rocket ship.
And so, problem solved. The problem is solved.
We solved the